In this video, I interviewed two people that attended a learning lab all about the rocks, minerals, and fossils from the heartland of Indiana. Some of these samples are supposedly hundreds of millions of years old, and students get an opportunity to feel and handle a small part of Indiana's rich history.
I thought it was pretty cool how there were like fossils and minerals that have like been here in Indiana for like a super long time. Um, like I didn't know that most of Indiana was like covered by an ocean. So seeing that like through the rocks was like pretty cool. I don't know, the way different types of rocks can like tell a story of like what happened on Earth a really long time ago. I thought that was pretty cool.
Interacting with the rocks, minerals, and fossils changed my understanding of Indiana's history. I didn't know much about geological history of Indiana, but touching and examining the fossils and rocks really opened my eyes to how much this land has evolved. It was eye-opening to see how much ancient sea life, glaciers, and volcanoes have shaped the state over millions of years.
Um, it kind of like changed my perception a lot, just because I always thought of Indiana as just like farmlands and like, I don't know, just a place where corn grows. So yeah, I guess I just didn't really realize how different it was back then. And it's cool that like these rocks and stuff like that can prove that to you.
Holding specimens that old was an amazing experience. Holding something so old, knowing that it's been preserved through millions of years, made me feel connected to the past in ways I never thought possible, honestly. And it's incredible to think about how these specimens have survived all this time and what stories they can tell us.
It felt pretty cool just because, it's not every day that you get to hold something that old. So it's also like probably something that, not a lot of people do. So yeah, it felt pretty cool to be able to do that. I would say hands-on activities really helped me specifically, but I just think it's cool because like, I don't know, instead of just like reading about something in a book or something, like you get to actually look at these rocks and like hold them, and I don't know, you just feel a little bit more connected with what you're learning about.